All right, we're starting off with our 4 cups of chopped pecans on our sheet pan. Just make sure you lay them flat and get them spread out from edge to edge. We don't want any bites without our delicious pecans. And you could do a walnut or an almond, whatever your nut preference is. I just think pecans are great for fall. Okay, 1 stick, 2 sticks of butter on my medium heat pan, half a cup of brown sugar, make sure it's packed. And then we're gonna mix this until it is nice and smooth. This is gonna go beautifully with our delicious chopped pecans. Oh my, let's get this going. All right, and just a reminder, use a whisk once they're liquid so that that sugar and butter can combine beautifully. But this is ready, yummy. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pour this right on top of our pecans. Just like so, oh my goodness. Beautiful toffee with our beautiful pecans. Obviously you can do a smaller portion if you don't want to use as many pecans, but this is gonna taste incredible. Pecans, sorry, I know you guys hate it when I say pecans, but I grew up in the West and that's what we say.
Is it not pecans?
I don't know. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my spatula and kind of just softly spread our toffee. I am gonna pop this in the oven so that it spreads even more, because when you put toffee in the oven, it spreads like crazy. It's the most beautiful science experiment you'll ever do. Okay, so once we kind of got it just like so, I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about 3 minutes, no longer, no less. All right, you guys, look how good that looks.
Oh wow, that worked.
Yeah, but we're not done yet. So I wanted to cut back on the sugar, so I'm doing Lily's dark chocolate baking chips, but you can use milk chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever chocolate you want, but this is no sugar added because there's already enough sugar in there. And we are just gonna use this whole bag right on top of our pecan toffee. Doesn't that look so good?
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see it melted and delicious.
Yeah, so we are gonna let these chips sit on our toffee and get nice and ooey and gooey until we can have them be melted, and then we're gonna spread them right on top of this entire pan. So just wait about a few minutes and then they'll be melted and we will spread them. All right, now that those chocolate chips are nice and shiny, it is time to spread our chocolate right on top of the toffee, right on top of the pecans. I'm pecan. All right, and we are just gonna get this nice and pretty best we can. Oh my goodness, so ooey and gooey and delicious. I cannot wait to eat all of this up. This is great for the holidays, just great for a little Sunday treat with the kids. Whatever you want to make this for, people will love it. A little potluck, bring it to church on Sunday, Bible reading, whatever you want to make this for, it's going to be a crowd pleaser. And you can make this entire recipe with 0 nuts. You could just do the toffee and the chocolate and it will be just as good, because I know people have their allergies. So just keep that in mind. I think that looks good enough. So it does look like we're going to have a border of pecans that weren't used, but that's fine. We can just snack on those individually. Now I'm topping this off with some fleur de sel, which is just some topping salt, perfect for desserts. We're just gonna put a little bit in our hands, our clean hands always, just like that. And we are gonna sprinkle that right on top of that chocolate for a salty, sweet treat. Oh my goodness, my mouth is watering. Don't worry, I won't drool over our dessert.
Yeah, no drooling.
All right, now this is ready for the fridge, and we're gonna pop this in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. All right, you guys, our pecan toffee is completely chilled. I'm just gonna bring in a spatula and try to get right under. Remember, we have those few loose pieces. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good.
Looks pretty good to me.
Oh, that's what we want. We want these beautiful kind of broken pieces. It's gonna taste so good. Obviously the chocolate holds it together perfectly, which is why you need to wait for that to cool down. But let's go ahead and get a few more pieces out. Oh my goodness. This not only looks incredible, it smells incredible. And it's a little, guilt-free because we did that Lily's dark chocolate.
Slightly.
Yeah, let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh my God.
Is it good?
That is the best candy ever. You guys gotta try it.